if anybody as a business owner cannot shout out who their business avatar or their business client is in less than 10 seconds, they need to niche. That is the simplicity of the rule of thumb of niching in business. And 99% of business owners niche so softly, they remain within the noise of the market they are promoting their business. I'm not niching to a small value of people. I'm niching as an expert in a particular subject matter that then gives my business a higher profile, a higher interest, a greater interest. Because when people come to me, they know that all my products, the philosophy of my products, are going to niche you into a particular aspect of whatever we're training on.